Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna open these oval shape, egg shape candies, chocolates, whatever you could say. So let's begin with this because while getting it home, it got somehow broken also. Let's not mind it and open it. So this is a toy box, milk chocolate with toys. It contains some kind of toys also inside it. For the first time I'm opening these kind of oval shape chocolates. So let's open it. Actually egg got broken, otherwise it would have been beautiful, but not an issue, we don't mind it. Let's throw the cover and put. So this is the chocolate. You can see from inside there's a toy, and when egg breaks it gives you some toy. And how to open it, man? It's very tight. I can't. Oh, it's about to. Yeah, see, there is something which you have to make. So they have given some papers with the help of, oh, these are the stickers. As you can see, these are the stickers you could stick in your baby's notebooks somewhere. You can even use these boxes to keep some stuff. And this, how to make this, what it is, I didn't have any idea about it. No idea. So leave this apart. It's some kind of game for babies, I would say. And let's open this one. This one is very interesting. It is known as Ares Chupa Loli. It's a Chupa Loli. Nice name, interesting name. It's a candy toy, so it also contains some kind of toy inside it. And what else? They have mentioned some warnings like do not give below the age of 3 to the babies to have these, because some toys babies could swallow also, so that's the issue. The packaging was very nice. I have to just open this, and here it comes. Wow, the lollipop you just need to poke out. Yeah, it's here. So this is the lollipop which was there, and it's quite nice, interesting. Here it comes. Yow, yow, yow. I'm gonna keep it over here, and now I'm gonna show you what it had. Oh, it also had some stickers. In the first one there was boy sticker, and these are the car, and 6 stickers they have provided in it, and with one car also which you need to fix the wheels, as you could say over here. So I'm gonna make it later on and show you guys what. Oh, this one, I saw this car inside it. I loved it, so I purchased this one. Actually, from where I got these, I found only these 5 in these oval shape. Other than that, there was nothing more of these shapes, so I got it. So this is the mini mix toys and candies. Candy toys, same warning, less than 3 years of age. And how you need to open, you just need to I need to take help from my teeth to open this. You just need to take off the cover, and here it comes. Yeah, beautiful zip. Wow, it ran. So these are the small candies which they give in it. I'm gonna just open it and put it in this jar again. So it happened. Now this one. At the end, I'm gonna taste all together. So this is Chupa Chups, and these are dogs versus cat. It's written dog versus cat over here. So let's open it. How I need to figure it out how to open these. These are very difficult to open for, you know, babies also, because yeah, now it opened. So this is also kind of lollipop shape, and you need to open it. Ah, it's very tight, man. Yeah, now it came out. Oh, there's a small doggy and one lollipop. Yes, lollipop. I'm gonna see the color of it. The first one was in reddish color. Let's see what color this one have. My god, these candies are very difficult to open, or I'm new to it, because during my childhood I definitely had, but I forget to open now. So this is how it looks like. Beautiful. And I'm gonna taste at the end. Last not the least, this is the famous one, Kinder Joy. You'll find everywhere. Every child is behind these Kinder Joy, Kinder Joy, Kinder Joy. So how you need to open, it's very simple. You just put these two apart and it will come in two pieces. And there is one spoon kind of thingy. I believe it's a spoon. Yeah. And then you need to open this, and there is one toy in it. Actually, babies love these because of toys, I believe. So it has these. There's some fox, and I don't know what is this. Fox sitting maybe somewhere. I need to make this also. So let's not waste much time and open this one. And it has two balls and with milk chocolate, I believe. So let's start with this one. Let's taste it. Very nice. Very, very nice. What next? Lollipop. Loved it. Very nice. This one also very nice. What about this chocolate? And these small pink, green. Oh, amazing. Loved it. So friends, that's all for today. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more my videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.